Hey everyone! We've been a little quieter with videos lately because we've been putting a lot of our time into finalizing version 1 of our veterinary game and getting it ready for everyone to play. Our goal with this project has always been to create something fun, educational, and made specifically for people throughout veterinary medicine. We hope that as the game grows, the money it generates can help us give back to animal-focused nonprofits, improve the quality and frequency of our educational videos, and continue expanding the game itself. We already have ideas for additional game modes, including a much more chaotic party-style veterinary game mode where friends, classmates, and veterinarians can compete, laugh, and have fun outside of school and work. We also want to keep adding new questions, features, customization, and other ways for the veterinary community to learn while having fun. Supporting the game will ultimately help us keep building both the educational side of what we do and the entertainment side. For now, here's a little sneak peek at what we've been working on behind the scenes.
To a little dance floor, your mug on the counter, racing the walls. We don't need much when we get calls. And that came out of the blue, came out alive, get the hook in the jack and the spark in my eyes. Come on, jump when the kick drum drops, hands up high till the whole room pops. Say my name like you mean it now. Back door, wait, I'm back in the mix, it's getting late. Phone in my pocket, screen burning bright, one text away from a bigger night. I learned how to move with the lights up loud, I learned how to smile with a passing crowd. And every bad day I tried to outrun gets left on the floor when the chorus comes. And I came out of the blue, came out alive, but the hook in the track and the spark in my eyes. Come on, jump.